We need to wind a bobbin and thread this Bernina 1010. This machine uses a class 15 bobbin. It's got a snap over winder and a clutch nut on the end here. There are 2 spool pins on the back, and the thread comes off the spool pin, wraps around this tension button for winding, and then goes over to the bobbin. Alright, threading this Bernina 1010. We've got our spool pin on the back here, and then there is this thread guide hook here, and when you pull the thread through this hook, it slips into a slit on the side here and goes down through this space and is guided past the tensioner. And it comes under the hook here with the take-up spring for the tensioner, and then the thread goes over the take-up arm, and there's a spring here to pull it past to get into the crook of the take-up arm, and then there's a thread guide above the needle bar clamp, and it threads from the front to the back. Bobbin case for this Bernina, standard 15 style. So we're going to drop our 15 bobbin in. It unwinds clockwise. Thread gets pulled into the crack up under the tension spring, and then gets inserted and locked in place with the finger up.